Hello! In this video, we're going to demonstrate how the status sync feature works with AutoTextMe and Shop-Ware. This is a level 6 integration, which means it is a bi-directional status sync. You can change the status in AutoTextMe, it will update Shop-Ware. If you update the status in Shop-Ware, it will update in AutoTextMe, provided the ticket is moving forward in the workflow. Let's take a look at how this looks in Shop-Ware. From Shop-Ware, you can take a look at your statuses by going into your account settings. Do this with your menu on the left, account settings, and then you go to your statuses. Now this is where you can change, alter, move the order around on your statuses. You can also rename them or add additional statuses as much as you like. All that matters for mapping with AutoTextMe is that you spell these statuses the same as the status is spelled in AutoTextMe. And it matters which title you give it. As you know, if we go over to AutoTextMe and take a look at our workflow setup, we have multiple titles for each status. Scroll down just below your preview of your current workflow, click the gray box, and you will open up your statuses. What we're after is the graphic title. This is what needs to match Shop-Ware, or you can make Shop-Ware match AutoTextMe. However you decide to do it is up to you. You only have to map the statuses you want. You can have additional statuses in AutoTextMe that are unmapped. You can have additional statuses in Shop-Ware that are unmapped. Let's take a look at how the status mapping actually works in a ticket flow. In this example, we're going to show you how a technician operating in the DVI is going to cause an automatic status update and how that can change both in AutoTextMe and Shop-Ware. So we're signed in as Leave It Off, our test technician. We're going to open up the DVI. You can still see that we are in the check-in status. Now, we already got a lot of vehicle information from Shop-Ware. We have our VIN, we have our license, we have our RO number, a few other details that we have from previous visits. I'm going to add the mileage. I'm just going to say we have 215,000 miles. And as soon as I hit something here, the status saves. And the status moves from check-in to inspection using that auto update. Go back to our dashboard here in AutoTextMe. You see we're now in the inspecting status. And if I go into Shop-Ware, we'll go back to our job board. You will also see Joe Paluca's ticket has moved to inspecting here. Now, with the status abilities going both ways, we could change the status here in Shop-Ware and move that status forward in AutoTextMe. For example, we're going to move this ticket to the estimating status. As soon as I do that, I can go back to AutoTextMe, refresh my page, and you can see the vehicle is now in the estimating status. Now, interestingly, Shop-Ware can move AutoTextMe forward, but we can also pull Shop-Ware backwards in status. So if I am the technician and I decide to move it backwards and I say okay to that, we can move it into inspecting, and I can go back into Shop-Ware, and you'll see that we are now back in that inspections there. Now, to prove a point here, I'm going to try to move the status backwards further in Shop-Ware. If I move it into check-in, and then I go back into AutoTextMe, refresh my page, you will see it still sits in that inspection status. Moving the status in Shop-Ware backwards is not going to cause AutoTextMe to move backwards, and that is to prevent any text messages going out to the customer more than once. I hope this has been an insightful review on how the status sync works. You'll be able to use the status sync on any ticket that you transferred into AutoTextMe via ticket transfer in Shop-Ware. Thanks for watching.